everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you impressive small house facade design ideas and tips to design or update your house exterior appearance. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A facade is more than just the face of your house, it's the very first impression it makes. For a small house, this impression becomes even more crucial, as the facade plays a vital role in creating a sense of spaciousness and personality. But how do you design a small house facade that's both captivating and functional? This guide delves into the world of small house facades, answering your burning questions and helping you unlock your home's potential. The best building facade style for your small house depends on your personal tastes, architectural context, and the overall atmosphere you want to create. Some styles, like modern and minimalist, are well suited to small spaces as they emphasize clean lines and spaciousness. However, traditional styles like farmhouse and cottage can also be adapted for small houses with the right design approach. Ultimately, the key is to choose a style that you love and that reflects the unique personality of your home. The ideal material for your small house facade depends on your budget, desired aesthetic, and local climate. Some popular choices include: first, wood provides warmth and texture, but requires regular maintenance. Second, stone offers durability and a timeless look, but can be expensive. Third, brick creates a classic and traditional aesthetic with low maintenance. If you wonder how to design a small house facade, then hear the answer. First, embrace proportion, emphasize vertical lines with tall windows, doors, and columnar elements to create a sense of height and spaciousness. Second, let light shine in, maximize natural light with strategically placed windows and skylights, making your interiors feel more open and airy. Third, play with textures, combine different textures like wood, stone, and brick to add visual interest and depth to your facade. Fourth, less is more, opt for a minimalist approach with clean lines and uncluttered design to avoid overwhelming the small space. Fifth, color it up, use color strategically to accentuate features and create a welcoming atmosphere. Consider using lighter colors to visually expand the space. What if you want to update your small house facade? Then hear the answer for your question, how to update your small house facade. First, fresh paint job. A new coat of paint can instantly refresh your facade and enhance its curb appeal. Choose colors that complement your surroundings and architectural style. Second, upgrade your doorway. A new door, whether it's a vibrant statement piece or a classic wood design, can transform the entrance and add character to your facade. Third, embrace lighting. Add strategically placed lighting to highlight architectural features and create a welcoming atmosphere at night. Fourth, landscaping magic. Frame your facade with beautiful landscaping that complements your design style and adds a touch of greenery. Fifth, accessorize with intention. Choose outdoor furniture, planters, and decorative accents that reflect your personal style and tie the whole look together. And to complete your inspiration, hear the top 10 best small house facade design ideas. 1. Modern farmhouse. This timeless style combines the warmth of wood with clean lines and modern finishes for a charming yet sophisticated look. 2. Contemporary minimalist. Embrace sleek and simple lines with a focus on geometric shapes and limited color palettes for a modern and chic facade. 3. Rustic industrial. Expose brick and wood elements to create a rugged and authentic atmosphere, perfect for those who love a touch of the industrial. 4. Coastal cottage. Infuse your small house with a breezy seaside vibe by incorporating whitewashed wood, pastel colors, and nautical accents. 5. Mid-century modern. Channel the retro charm of the 50s and 60s with bold colors, geometric patterns, and clean lines. 6. French countryside. Create a romantic and inviting facade with stone details, wrought iron accents, and climbing vines. 7. Scandinavian simplicity. Embrace the minimalist Scandinavian aesthetic with clean lines, natural materials, and a focus on light and functionality. 8. Mediterranean charm. Embrace the warmth of the Mediterranean with terracotta tiles, arched doorways, and vibrant colors. 9. English cottage. Create a storybook-style facade with thatched roofs, exposed beams, and climbing flowers. 10. Eco-conscious design. Choose sustainable materials like recycled wood and bamboo for a facade that's both beautiful and environmentally friendly. By following these tips and exploring the various facade design ideas, you can transform your small house into a captivating and inspiring space. Remember, the key is to let your creativity flow, embrace your personal style, and choose materials and finishes that complement the overall architecture of your home. Let us help you unleash the full potential of your small house. Head over to our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more inspiring facade design ideas, expert advice, and step-by-step DIY tutorials. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest trends and tips for creating a home you love. Together, let's make small spaces feel grand. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of impressive small house facade design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.